Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brii Simone here. So we did this cute pink brown. For me, this is like a soft, it's a full glam, but very soft, very feminine. This could be for date night, out with the girls, whichever you want. I absolutely love this look. Makeup looks chef's kiss. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.
Start off by brushing our brow hairs up. Then we're going to take our brow pencil of choice. I'm using a dark chocolate brown, and I'm going to line the bottom of my brows as well as the top of my brows, and then do some light hair-like strokes. And then I'm also using the end of my eyebrow brush to work the product in. I'm using a concealer shade that's one shade lighter than my skin tone, and I only carve out the bottom of my eyebrows just to give it a nice sharp look. And I'm using that same concealer shade all over my lid just to help my eyeshadows pop. So I am going in with the first shade, which is a transition shade. It's like a light brown shade. It's kind of like similar to my skin tone, but yeah, similar to my skin tone. And this is from the Juvias Coffee Shop palette. And then I'm also going in with another, this is more like a brick brown color right under the transition shade, and this is also from the Juvias Coffee Shop palette. And I'm just blending in those two colors. I am taking a little bit of product at a time and blending each of them into each other. Always remember that you can add but you can't take away. I did also use a darker brown shade on the outer V. I used my eyelash curler to create my cut crease, and then I'm also using that same concealer shade to make a blank space on my lid. And now I'm taking a pink, this is like a pink shimmery shade from the Pat McGrath Labs. This is our Mothership Mega Palette. I will have the exact name of the palette and the shadow in the description box below. So I'm taking that darker brown shade. This is more like a milk chocolate shade to me, from the Juvias Place palette, and I'm just blending out the edges and just making sure everything just blends well together. So I did go in, I felt like the pink shadow wasn't giving me that oomph and that pop that I needed. So I went in with the DANESSA MYRICKS Color Fix Multi-Use Eye Pigment in Pink Peach. Now I'm just using my primer, which is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I went ahead with the concealer of my choice. This is by NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. I use the shades Golden and True Beige. Right now I'm using the shade Golden. I am using that to give me a really sharp line for my shadow. And then I'm using the shade True Beige just to give me just a little bit of a highlighted look. So I do use my beauty blender to blend that out. I use concealer first before foundation, just so that I'm not using so much foundation. I feel like this helps control how much product I'm using. Then we're just going to go ahead and blend all of that out. Now I'm going in with my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and I'm just using that mainly in the places that I didn't put my concealer. And then I did spray my face with the Morphe setting spray just to help everything blend together. So I am going in first with a brush, and then I'm going to go over everything with my beauty blender. And then here I'm just going over everything with my beauty blender just to be sure that everything blends together and blends real seamlessly. So for concealer, you can stop at the previous step, but I'm just a little extra and I decided to go in with a little bit more of True Beige. I just wanted my highlight under my eyes to be just a little bit more vibrant and to pop a little bit more, just to bring more light to the center of my face. So I'm just blending that out first with the beauty blender, and then I'm using my brush on the outer portion so that it blends well and seamlessly with the rest of my face. Now I'm taking my contour, which is the Black Opal True Color Mineral Matte Cream Foundation, and I'm just doing some cream contouring all over the face. And I'm just blending all of that out, blending that in. Makeup is really all about blending, blending, blending. Here I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and honey. I am pressing that into my concealer. I am not baking. I don't usually bake. I just like to press the setting powder into my face. I feel like it helps control my oils a lot more. And then I'm also using the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty as my nose contour, and I'm also using that to set my contour that I did on my cheeks and around my forehead. Here I'm using MAC's lip liner in Cork. I also use MAC lipstick, Velvet Teddy, and MAC's Oyster Girl lip gloss. Yes, we are a MAC lip girly. I did apply my lashes off camera. I double stacked some Ardell lashes. I'll also have those in the description. I used the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Don't forget to blend out the edges of your forehead, especially when you're doing your makeup. And this look is all done. Love you guys. Bye.